So this video is all about crude oil's weekly analysis. My name is Anand Gyanbote and I post the weekly videos on the crude oil, so weekly analysis. The before videos are in Hindi languages, so as per request are coming to record this video in English from out of India and some other states from India also. So I have started. I'm thinking that the video should be recorded in English to understand with the all over the people who are trading in crude oil all over the world. And I got some messages on Telegram from other countries also, and from Indian people also. I'm receiving the messages to record the video in English language. So I have decided to record this video in English language only. So this video is all about crude oil's weekly analysis from we are taking from Monday to Friday, how we can trade and how we can analyze the market, and how we can initiate a trade and make the good profit in the next week. So in the last week I have said that 4090 the level was for the buy side, and I have updated on Telegram channel also. My target was hit. So here this is my trading teachers public channel. You can join this channel for free. I am not charging anything for this channel, and I am updating my views here. So I have I posted some charts on gold also yesterday. So this was the image I have posted on the gold, and this was on the daily chart of the gold. So we'll discuss this later. Just I am showing you this trading teachers channel. You can join this channel for free, and if you are having any doubts, you can call me. My mobile numbers are given on the thumbnails. Okay, I run the website called tradingteacher.in. You can visit that website for training purposes. So what I want to show you right now here. So this chart I have posted yesterday around 12:30 a.m. yesterday night, and the crude oil was started falling around 12, and after our market was closed around 11:30. Okay, so market was closed, and after that the crude oil was started falling. Okay, so I have given this message: crude गिर रहा है international market में, and the value was 18.06, and $1 fall, it means 69 point in MCX. Okay, so this was written in Hindi language, so most of the people are not understanding this, and my speech previous videos are also in Hindi, so some people are not understanding Hindi, and Indian people does not understand English. So that was the main coincidence happening and problem was happening. So let's see what the comments will come after this video. So I have decided to talk in English language for this video. Okay, so we are discussing right now. This is the crude oil's 15-minute WTI chart. This is the futures market on the international WTI futures. It is derived from all over the countries, and this runs 24 hours of the day, 24/7, Monday to Friday. So this analysis is from the date 1st of July to 5th of July. So this month was expiring, but the contract was not expiring. Contract is expiring around 17th or 18th or 19th in the next month, July month. So we are having the Indian contract closed around 4099, and this is value I think around 1130. So after that 1 point was falled, and almost 70 points or 69 point this will be down, but we are not able to capture this moment because our market was closed, and the international market went up to this level to low 57.72 or 77, and it was closed around 58.20. so this we are taking this on a 1 hour chart, how it looks. Okay, so what we can say after seeing this candle. Okay, so this candle was, I think, for profit booking was happened here. So most of the people are buying from here also, and some of the people are booked the profits here in the international market. After that our market was fall, but in India this fall was not seen by some people. Okay, so those who are seated in buy, so they will get panicked, and I think this will not come in the future for some time. Okay, so we will see how we can trade in the crude oil for the next week. So this was the hourly chart, and you can see the chart was completely in uptrend, Okay, so this was the resistance value. This has faced almost 59 point something. I have told you in the last video that 59.63 or 59.22 is the most tested resistance for the next week. Okay, so and this was the support area. This was the support area, and the market has respected to that level. Okay, and the market was stuck currently here. Okay, so on the hourly basis, this is on hourly basis, this is showing like this. Okay, on the hourly basis the market is still is in uptrend, and one can buy this market with just placing the stop loss below 56.66. okay, in WTA, who are trading in forex or international crude oils, with for the target of $62, and if it sustains $62 or 61, then this market can go really up to $64. Okay, so this was the main intention I want to tell you. On the 2 or 3 days this target can be reached, and the worst scenario, if the stop loss will get hit, then this market can come to this level, to around 54.70 level. Okay, so on the basis of daily chart, what we can see here, okay, so this market was started going in uptrend, started and downtrend again, and just the uptrend was started here. Okay, so after seeing this candle, the many people are thinking so downtrend was starting and the market is facing the resistance. In some situations those people may be correct, but I think this is not a downtrend, and this is just a pullback or a retracement. Okay, so if we draw the lines like this, okay, so this market was going, this was a retracement, and again it was going up to this level, and it has just given the retracement. Okay, so if we take this out, here, right, so this is just a retracement. Okay, pullback. So this is not a downtrend, and the market has already tested this level on the yesterday. So the next level to come, okay, the next level to come in the market, with the placing stop loss below this low. So this low was, I think, 57.75. okay, this low was 57.75. you can place the stop loss below it, and you can enter a buy or long, and the market has two resistance point for the next week. Okay, on the basis of daily. So this was the main resistance the market has to test, 60.73 almost, or $60 you can consider. Okay, so here this was showing, and here is also showing the main resistance. This was the support equal to resistance. This is not actual resistance, this is support equal to resistance. The main resistance was market has to face this 63 point something. Okay, after this the market can go up to rally around $68. Okay, so this is on the daily chart I am showing, I want to say. Okay, so the market can reach to these levels also. Okay, this is for the second time, this is the second resistance. Okay, sorry, this was the second, and this was the first. This was the first is 60.73 and second is 63.22. okay, what we can trade in MCX, and how we can see in the MCX market, because in MCX we have not seen this fall. I will show you. Okay, so I am opening the chart here. Okay, this was by default, the line chart was opened, and this was the candle. Okay, we have not seen this movement. Okay, so if we test here on the basis of hourly, and we make this chart as hourly, both charts are hourly charts. Okay, from here the market was around 4099. Okay, but in the international market the market was fall from here. Okay, so you can check the time. I will make the both times are same, 5:30. This is the Kolkata, and in this chart also. Okay, this was around 22.30. Okay, and when 23.30, after our Indian market was closed, the market started falling. Okay, so what was this level in the MCX? Okay, so this level is on low of 26. Okay, so here it was the market on the 26 low. Okay, this level is around here. Okay, 4060 or 4056, but we don't know this low where it was made. Okay, so for the next week in MCX, okay, for the next week in MCX, we can place the stop loss below this level. So I will show you correctly. This was the very first support, and this support was breaked. This support was breaked. Okay, and the market has tested the low of this. Okay, this around this candle. Okay, where we are in here, 39 or 4000 currently. Okay, so in the international it was around 58.02, but our Indian market was not known, and they are just sitting in a buy, and they will get panicked on Monday, I think. So those who are seated in buy. Okay, so for the next week we are going with the buy side. After seeing the weekly chart, I will decide buy or sell. Okay, just wait. So just I will clear this. Remove all drawing tools. Okay, so this was the clean chart, and this was the selling pressure was happened. Okay, but the market has not any resistance or any obstacle to go up here on the basis of weekly chart. Okay, so the market I am expecting in the next week around 62. Just I'll show you. I will draw the line here. So here the value was, I am saying, right, around 61 or 60 $60 for the next week. Okay, so we are going with a buy side for the next week, and we are placing our stop loss below. Initial stop loss we are placing below 56 or $57. Okay, so those who are willing to bear that much loss or that much points, those people should trade in the crude oil for the next week, because the market condition, after seeing this market condition, the candle was not clearly showing the buying momentum as a strong, because the selling pressure was more on the Friday's international market. Okay, so you can check on the weekly candle on Indian MCX also. I'm changing the time frame. Okay, so we can expect in the next week up to this level. $4,204 or 4,190 for the next week, and we are placing our stop loss below. Actual stop loss comes here for the weekly basis 3954, but this is the too much points, so one cannot bear that much point. So after, you should enter around 4032 or 403, 4030 or 4020 if you get that level on Monday. Okay, I will update on the Telegram channel. You should join that channel if you are seeing this video for the first time. Okay, and we are expecting the targets of 4,200 for the next week. This was almost 200 points or 150 points. Okay, So thanks for watching this video. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me, or you can ask me on the WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and have a good day and have a great weekend to enjoy. Thanks.